7-day program for a healthier you. Are you tired of making promises to yourself to start living a healthier lifestyle but never following through? It's time to take action and commit to a 7-day program that will transform your life. Day 1, Get moving. Starting with a warm-up, engage in regular cardiovascular exercise 4 times a week for 20 to 30 minutes per session, and resistance training 4 times a week for 20 to 25 minutes per session. This balanced approach will help you burn fat, increase your lean body mass, and boost your metabolism. Day 2 to 6, Consistency is key. Keep up with your exercise routine and expect to see changes early on. Within 2 to 6 months, you'll start losing size in inches while becoming leaner. After 6 months, you'll start losing weight quite rapidly. Day 7, Fuel your body. Combine your exercise routine with healthy eating habits. Eat several small meals throughout the day, making sure every meal is balanced with palm-sized proteins, fist-sized portions of complex carbohydrates, and fist-sized portions of vegetables and fruits. Limit your fat intake and drink at least 8 glasses of water each day. Don't forget to take a daily multivitamin to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. Start today and commit to your health by following this 7-day program. You'll experience a surge in energy, feel better, and see the rewarding results of your efforts. It's time to transform your life and make a promise to yourself.